Don't scroll this video. If you are among those people that want to make money on TikTok, this video is for you. If you want your page to be monetized, wait, watch this video to the end. You need to know whether you are following their community guidelines. There's a way you can check your account to know whether your videos are following their community guidelines so that they will not ban your account. Let's go now. Click on these 3 lines up here. TikTok Studio. More tools. Click on account check. Always check your account so that you will not have, look at it, it's checking now. You see, post, login, everything is just correct. My videos are accepted in their community guidelines. So if you violate, or maybe your video did not follow their guidelines, they may ban your account or you will not be able to monetize. So always check like this. If there's anyone they put bad, so it said account is good standing. Thank you for following our community guidelines and helping us keep TikTok safe. If they ask you here, is this too helpful? Very helpful, my dear. I clicked on yes. Okay, so go and check your own. You need to check because when their account is banned, you are still following the account. So I used to check so that I will unfollow those accounts that does not exist. They are just like ghosts. They are not functioning. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please share this video, like, and follow me for more tips. Ciao.